Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn content ideas with ChatGPT. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, go to your profile page. Scroll down to the featured section. Click on that add button to include new content. Select links from the options available. Now, open a new tab and go to the ChatGPT website. If you don't have an account, sign up and create one. Once you are on ChatGPT, start a new conversation. In the chat box, type a prompt asking for content ideas relevant to your industry or area of expertise. For example, you could say, "Give me 10 content ideas for LinkedIn posts about digital marketing." Wait for ChatGPT to review the suggestions provided. Choose the ideas that resonate with you most. Copy the selected content idea. Return to the LinkedIn tab. Paste your chosen content idea into the link input field. Add a descriptive title that captures the essence of your content. Once you've set everything up, click Add to feature your new content idea. Go back to your profile to ensure the new content appears correctly. Feel free to edit or update the content in the future as needed. Now, you are ready to share valuable insights with your LinkedIn network using the power of ChatGPT. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.